Alright, good morning familia. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay, so आज का vlog कुछ इस तरह है, जिस तरह मैं चाहता था vlog बने उस तरह नहीं बना है. But any which ways I managed to make this whole vlog, create this whole vlog just to show you guys, give you a gist, not exactly a gist but a whole experience of me running behind डे एंड नाइट. था काफ़ी छोटा सा मॉडिफिकेशन, बट देन जितना छोटा मॉडिफिकेशन था वो उतना छोटा था नहीं एक्चुअली, बिकॉज इट टुक मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, इट टुक मी डेज टू मेक दैट थिंग, टू मैनेज माई स्केड्यूल एंड गेट दिस मॉडिफिकेशन डन. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ DIY. सो आई टेल यू गाइस कि क्या मॉडिफिकेशन है. प्रॉब्ली यू माइट जस्ट गेट टू नो विद द थंबनेल एंड द टाइटल ऑफ द व्लॉग टुडे. It's about the wheel covers for my bike. I own a Goan Classic, everybody out there watching the vlog might know. I was planning to buy wheel covers. So that's how it all started. Having that look, I wanted my bike to have that fat look, a complete blackout look. I love the spoke wheels, no doubt. But I just wanted कि I should add the wheel covers and give a fat bob kind of a look, and that's all my whole motto was. I tried finding the wheel covers, कहाँ मैंने नहीं ढूंढा हो. Literally I got so pissed off, but I couldn't find the exact ratio of the wheel cover, the size of the wheel cover, because Goan Classic के बाइक के टायर्स नॉर्मल क्लासिक से अलग है. पीछे वाला टायर it's measured 16 inches and the front tire is around 19 inches. So that's a whole complete different ratio बाइक के डिज़ाइन के हिसाब से. तो खैर, I searched everywhere at each and every shop that I could find the wheel covers, but I couldn't find. मेरे को 17 inches का मिल रहा था, 18 inches का भी था, but then that was not a good quality that I wanted to buy. 17 inches का डिज़ाइन अलग था, 18 inches का डिज़ाइन अलग था, and it was all a mess. But I still somehow managed कि मैं एक शॉप पे ढूंढूँ तो वहाँ मेरे को 17 इंचज़ का I got the wheel cover, like a proper wheel cover, the disc wheel cover, but then it was a plastic quality made kind of a wheel cover. I thought of buying that thing, but वो कहीं ना कहीं fit नहीं हो रहा था, because वो 16 inches का नहीं था, that was 17 inches. So with just 1 inch that was not getting properly fixed. So then I ended up deciding I'll make one wheel cover by my own self. So I then went on searching all the shops to find the acrylic sheet. Somehow I just managed to cut the disc, got everything. So आज के vlog में I am just here showing you guys कि how did I tried my level best to get that done, but eventually it didn't happen. But then why it didn't happen, क्या issue आ गया, क्या mess up हो गया और क्या दिक्कत है, वो I'll be able to show you guys. It's pretty sad also कि मैं इतनी मेहनत किया but वो हुआ नहीं. But then ठीक है, it was just what I wanted to do, so I tried my level best, but it just didn't work out that well. But anyways, once you see the complete vlog, you'll understand कि how much efforts it took for me to go ahead and get till that point where I could just give up. But any which ways, you guys see the vlog. At the end of the vlog, I'll just explain you, शायद maybe you'll just understand कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ. But till that time, just enjoy the vlog. See मैंने कितनी efforts डाला हुआ actually. I would really advise कि जो भी गोवन क्लासिक ओन कर रहा है, if they are planning to buy the or get the wheel covers done, I तो myself made that thing, वो fit ही नहीं हुआ, वो fit हो भी नहीं सकता है. क्यों नहीं हो सकता है, क्या नहीं हो सकता है? I want you guys to watch the complete vlog. Yeah, just enjoy the vlog. That's it.
gotta be that way with me. But I've only loved one man. I've got a hunch I'm never gonna feel no other kind of love.
बाजू का देखे, ये इधर का छोटा है ड्रम, हाँ इधर का ड्रम बड़ा है।
हाँ
ये सब कटिंग कराना पड़ेगा।
चलेगा, एटलीस्ट लग के नहीं लगेगा ना।
Aku paling lagi cari sekali kalau itu lagi itu boleh tadi itu banyak नहीं लगा भाई ऐसा नहीं लगा नहीं लगा
So that was all about it. Just because of that caliber and the shape of the spokes of the tire, उसमें से like it's not even hardly कुछ सेंटीमीटर्स का फ़र्क रहेगा, उतना ही गैप बचा हुआ था in between the spoke and the caliber and I mean the once you put the wheel cover and the caliber, वो दोनों के बीच में इतना सा गैप था जिसमें if I just turn the wheels तो वो कहीं ना कहीं उसको लगता था and then it would have just become a disaster. You would have that noise, तो वो हो ही नहीं रहा था, फिर जगह ही नहीं थी, दोनों के बीच में जगह ही नहीं थी. बट मैंने ट्राई किया, I just tried my best, but at the end I had to throw it away. I still have somehow plan, I have few other modifications that I want to do. And I don't like having a very hard or a loud modification to be done. I like to keep it simple but yet a little elegant also. So I hope you guys did enjoy the vlog. Enjoyed the vlog, yeah, with a pretty sad ending. But then yeah, it was just that I wanted you guys to get to know. Shayad maybe if just anybody out there is planning to put the wheel covers in their bike, in their Goan Classic, do not try to do that and do not put. I know काफ़ी लोग मेरे को बोल भी रहते कि wheel covers इतने sustainable होते भी नहीं है like for a longer run, और अगर proper fit नहीं हो रहा तो फिर लगाओ ही मत, क्योंकि it's risky also when you ride the bike, it's gonna be a very big trouble. But ठीक है, that was all about today's vlog. I hope you guys did like the video, and if you did, if you somehow like my efforts, so please drop a like and please drop a comment, and also let me know what do you guys want me to modify on my bike. Probably that will just boost my ideas up and that will help me to think about it. Alright then, that's all for today. Please ride safe, please take care of yourselves. Till then, see ya in the next vlog. Bye.
Assalamualaikum brother. Tanah Mbak. Iya.
Там, где по кругу крутит каленый лютый бит андеграунд рэп, там, куда